Hey, how's it going, guys? Your friend Jim here with another video. I just want to do this quick video, just something that happened to me today. As you know from my previous video, I was waiting on some parts for the Montero. I was waiting for the air duct and also the air cleaner box. It took about a month to get here from China, and I got them on eBay, but they were shipping them from China. But they finally arrived, and I installed them today. Here's the old ones here. Here's the old airbox right here, and so this goes here. Oh, wait a minute. So it goes like that, sort of, and then the master flow sensor goes here. So obviously you have to swap out these studs here. It comes with new ones, so you put the new ones on the new box. It does have the grommets here. I ended up using the original grommets. They were much better than the ones I got from China, and it seems to work. It seems to work a lot better. And then this thing, I also got it new because, as you remember, I repaired it, and it won't pass smog inspection, and it also has a giant crack right there. So I got new parts. You can see here on the Montero, new box, new air duct here, and swapped out the master flow sensor into this new box. Now, when I initially installed everything, got the master flow sensor back, I did get a P0102 DTC. Check engine light on right away. P0102. Cleared it. Code came right back. P0102 is a bad signal on this second wire, the green and white. Now, this second wire here is the output from the master flow sensor, and it's supposed to be more than 3.3 hertz. It's a frequency output, and it's supposed to be more than 3.3 hertz. If it drops below 3.3 hertz for 2 seconds, that's when you get the P0102. And it almost seems like a circuit code, like this sensor, like this circuit is shorted out, but I didn't have that issue before. So I'll show you here on the paper. So terminal number 2 right there, green with a white stripe, and 3.3 hertz or more. And you disconnect your meter, and you make sure that you have that frequency on there. And what I'll do pretty soon is if anybody wants me to, I'll do a complete pin out of this sensor with the key on engine off, key on engine running, and like 2000 RPMs. That way you guys can know what normal values are. Now, initially I thought it was a bad 5-volt reference, or maybe a bad ground, but I don't see how that would happen just by swapping out the air cleaner. So it wasn't that. What it was is the master flow sensor is used to the old part, and a new part is going to have a little bit different dimensions. The airflow is going to be a little bit different. That's what I'm thinking. And it throws the computer off. It has to take a while to relearn the new value, the new flow of the air. So when you do this job, it's probably better to unplug the battery and then put everything back together and start from scratch. I didn't do that until I cleared the code, and then I revved the engine a little while, just revved it, came back and forth, and then the code went away. And then I assumed that the system relearned the new flow in the new components, and now everything is back to normal. Everything is perfect now. So just FYI, if you do swap out those parts and you start getting a DTC, don't panic. It's just the system relearning the new values from the new components. Completely normal. One way to avoid that is just when you're doing the job, just unplug the battery. That way when you put everything back together, everything is just back to normal. With the new part, it's going to learn the new value. Anyway, guys, well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. If you want, I'll put a link on the description later on. Once I get inside, I'll put a link on the description of the eBay place where I got these parts. That way, if anybody wants one, you can order it. It does take about a month to arrive, but I mean, they seem to be pretty good quality, just like the original ones. It seems like the plastic or the component seems to be pretty good. The only thing I didn't like is the grommets, where the bottom part of the air cleaner sits on the vehicle. Those grommets were a little bit thin, so I had to use the original ones. So anyway, guys, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.